Hey there, it's me again with another helpful how-to video. This time I'm going to show you how to bookmark your tabs so that it shows them up here at the top of your screen so that you can quickly get to the websites that you need to get to. The first thing you want to do is make sure you click these three dots and then go down to bookmarks, and then make sure you have a check mark next to the Show Bookmarks bar. That's this bar right here. We want to make sure that that's visible. If it's not clicked, then those things will disappear. Okay, so we want to make sure that that is showing. And then the way that you do this is, let's say I want, and today I'm asking you to save this link right here. So I'm going to open the link, and then I'm going to just hit cancel here. But then I can take this, highlight the text, then you're going to click and hold down the button. So hold down your mouse and drag it to wherever you want it, and then let go of it, and then it's right here. And now I don't like that name, so I'm going to click on it, or right click it, then click edit, and then I'm going to call it Zoom link. Save. So now if I have a meeting with Ms. Duncan at her Zoom room, I'm going to just click here and it's going to take me straight to the open the meetings. I hope you find this helpful, and you can do this for all of your other things. Like I have Clever. I have my Google Drive folder, so you can highlight your personal or your shared Google folder so that you can get to it quickly every time. I suggest that you put everything up here that you go to often. So your Gmail, your Google Drive, Clever, your Zoom link. If there's anything else like different types of curriculums that you want to put, you put those there. Now, if you decide you bookmark something and you don't actually need it there anymore, you're going to right click and then click delete, and then it leaves off of your bookmarks bar. I hope this helps. Let me know if I can help you anymore.